Hello learners. Welcome to third video of this TypeScript tutorial. In this video, we will learn about type assignment and TS configuration file. This video is going to be very interesting and important as well because TypeScript is all about assigning types. Stick to this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. This is the second video of this TypeScript course. If you have not seen the first video, you can follow this TypeScript full course playlist. You will get the link in the I button or in the description box. Let's get started with the video. In TypeScript, when it comes to creating a variable, there are two main ways of assigning a type. The first one we have is explicit type. These type assignments are easier to read as type is clearly written beside the variable when declared. And the second one we have is implicit type. These type assignments tells TypeScript to guess the type of a value a variable contains. Let's see a quick demonstration of it. First, starting with type number. The second type we have is type string. The third type we have is type Boolean. The fourth type we have is type undefined and null. Next, let's look at implicit type assignment. Here, no need to specify the type. Next, let me show you something special. Here, we have taken a variable of type number and then we are trying to modify it with type string which results in error. But, we have a special type which allows you to change the type of any variable. Here is how. The type name is any. We will look at this type in more details in upcoming videos. Next, let's discuss about TS configuration file. Before that, let me show you a scenario. First, we will delete our JS file and write some code. as our TypeScript code contains error, which is we cannot add a number type variable with a string. So, as we will compile our TypeScript code, it should throw error and should not create the JavaScript file. But, opposite of it, when we compile our TypeScript code, it creates a JavaScript file, even if it is wrong. Creation of JavaScript file is a problem because, after JS file is created, we can easily run the code and there will be no use of using TypeScript. Thus, we have tsconfig file. Type ts in it in your terminal. A tsconfig.json file will be created. After that, search for noEmitOnError and set it to true. Let's try running the wrong TypeScript code again. First, delete the JavaScript file. As you can see, this time no JavaScript file is created. This was all for today. Hope you have learned something new from this video. In the next video we will learn about the data types in TypeScript. If you liked this video, click on the like button, subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Also comment down the place from which part of the world you are watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.